What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. Internet Computer Protocol. Why? Because innovation always wins. So we're about to see the boom of AI agents. We already have AI agents working on social media, back ends, front ends, platforms, where everybody's working, AI this, AI that. So I'm probably going to come out with my own AI agent with some help of some very knowledgeable and expert developers for my JackBear.ai academy. Just pumping out 36 courses for my JackBear.ai academy, and I'm going to take these courses and gamify them so that we can incorporate some fun into what we're doing. So that's coming. Working on that right now. Got a 36 course mentorship program that I'm just curating, and it covers all kinds of topics from beginner, introductory to intermediate and advanced. Data sovereignty, intellectual property, decentralized cloud topics. Now, every innovation in technology is going to basically confirm and boost how the Internet Computer Protocol works. Because if you have protocols like the internet that uses all kinds of different protocols and layers, HTTP being one of them, if you can understand that, it's a rule book or set of rules that tells one computer how to talk to another computer. That's how the internet works. That's how websites work. So then you look at, that's a protocol. A smart contract is a proof of work or verification program to make sure that the rules of protocol, HTTP, internet, as we know it, is working fairly safely, efficiency, or whatever it's programmed to do. So then that's how smart contracts are used on a base layer of the internet between protocols. It's a set of verifiable information on how computers are talking to each other. But those are not secure in the form that they are created for throughput, or wherever these smart contracts and protocols live, which is on Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Google, Apple, Facebook, Meta. So they control all these layers and protocols and information. So what Dfinity Foundation has done is they've created canisters where these smart contracts live. And these canisters are encrypted. They cannot be accessed, manipulated, controlled, deleted, forked. So now, when you have smart contracts and internet protocols living inside a canister that's built from the ground up, full stack, front end, back end, transparent, verifiable, open source. That's where we hold companies, corporations, developers accountable for the 10 trillion a year cybercrime industry, all of the centralized cloud data, information, personal identity, intellectual property, where all that gets exploited, where typical legacy standard business is to accumulate all the data, package it, and resell it in different types of software, applications, protocol and smart contract layers. And who gets to benefit from that? Who gets to make money off of your data? Not you. So the Internet Computer Protocol, the canisters, is key. That's what separates protocols and smart contracts and the internet from the rest of the industry. And when you have canisters encrypted with rotating passkeys on nodes all over the world, then you don't have a single key, single point of entry or failure, or overexploited data and information that can be extracted by very, very technical, savvy developers, programmers, companies, corporations, and soon AI agents. Automated cybercrime. So we're going to see AI agents take a toll and wreck the industry. But if you're building on the Internet Computer Protocol, you can bet that the internet, your data, and everything is safe in canisters, and that it won't be exploited or exposed in the back end where most information and data are taken. And that's what we're trying to avoid here, is the exploitation of data and information and decentralized cloud computing to empower the people in a closed loop ecosystem where we benefit from the economy of big legacy tech that's using our data collectively. So this is what we're working on. This is what the Internet Computer is already doing. And if I keep talking in this video and walking, I'm going to end up in the next town. So that's my rant for today. I appreciate all the subs, you guys. We're gonna hit 1,000 subs. I'm gonna give away 10 ICP when we hit 1,000 subs on YouTube. Thanks for all the follows, all the likes, comments. The number one barrier to making this world a better place is access to information. And when you have access to information, then there's no reason for you to not be able to make informed decisions about what's going on in the world. So it's just a matter of time that companies like Google start using Internet Computer Protocol, which they've already pilot tested, which is exactly the kinds of things that you need to look out for and pay attention, and to understand that some partnerships and some adoption with Internet Computer Protocol may or may not be announced. But you can bet your bottom dollar, $5 a day, every day for 5 years, that you will become a millionaire. And you can either choose to stake that money every day into a neuron to get the maximum voting rewards on governance, so that you can cash out on maturity at the end of each year, or just keep a liquid bag for emergency. I personally apply the 50-50 rule in a liquid bag of ICP and my neuron. So yeah, just some tips and tricks for y'all. Until the next video, stay groovy.